Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Killer car, guys. 14,000 original miles, all original car. North Carolina car, really nice. I took this car in on trade. I've actually learned quite a bit about this car since I took it in on trade. The second owner actually called me, but the original owner was a lady out of North Carolina. Matter of fact, there's a letter in the car that was written to the second owner when he bought it. But the car had spent most of its life really in a climate control garage when he bought it, but he said it's all original car. He sold it to, I can't remember what he said, a guy in Iowa maybe, who sold it to somebody else, that's how I actually got the car. But 14,000 original miles, clean Carfax. There's some documentation, including the letter that goes with the car. Original white car. It's got that gorgeous gray cloth interior. Really just a cool car. Not a whole lot to nitpick on this car, and remember, 14,000 original miles. He said the car's never had any paint work. You can see there's a couple little touch-up marks we've seen on the car. It's got all the original glass in it. Look how nice that dash is. And if you've watched my videos, it's got the factory dual sport mirrors. Interior's just beautiful in this car. I love these cars. I mean, I can't tell you, oh gosh, in the 90s, I can't tell you how many of these cars I sold. I mean, my dad and I think we ran an ad one time where we had like 20 of these in stock at one time. She ordered every option except for T-tops. She's like me. I don't like T-tops. I think they're rattle traps. They drive me freaking nuts. She even ordered a block heater, and she told the second owner the reason she did, because she could. She ordered every option. How nice that car is, man. Goodyear Eagle GTs on it, stock wheels. Really cool car right here, man. If you're looking for a low mileage Monte Carlo SS, this is it's going to be a tough one to beat right here. All original stock 305 HO they had in these. Really bone stock underneath the hood. Power steering, power disc brakes, air blows cold, cruise control. It's got the 200R4 automatic overdrive transmission. I think it's got the 373 posi in the rear. Make sure I get that in the ad. I'm almost positive that's the gear in it. Again, you can nitpick the stripe there a little bit. Touch-up mark. What a car. Beautiful car. And these cars are just now starting to really come on strong. Because the muscle cars have gotten so crazy. And, you know, guys like me, 50 years old, almost 50, not quite there yet, but this is the kind of stuff that I drove when I was younger. Original door tags in there. Again, all original paint. They said the car's never been painted on. Power locks, power windows. Interior's just beautiful in the car. Factory bucket seats, console, tilt, cruise. 14,559 miles. Factory gauges, original Delco am-fm-cassette. Shoot, I forgot to show you the back. Oh, that's a little thing to the plaque that goes with it, I think. We put it in the trunk. What a nice, nice car, man. Factory jack with spares here in the trunk. Original build tag, window sticker. This is again the letter that she wrote when she sold the car. And again, it's got a clean Carfax, guys. Original service parts identification tag is still on it. So I believe, yeah, power trunk release. What a killer, killer car. Nice and clean underneath. Door seams are nice and clean. I mean, that's just a beautiful car, guys. And I love these cars, man. I love the sound of them. I love the way they drive. How nice that dash is. Rear defog. Beautiful, beautiful car. Okay, see how nice the door handles are. Bone stock. See, the air blows cold. Just a great, great car. That's going to be a tough one to beat right there for Monte's. I looked at a couple this weekend, and I'll tell you what, there was nothing that looked like this car. He wanted more money. That's just a killer car right there. Radio works. Blower motor works. I didn't see anything on the car that didn't work. Get this one? There we go. Make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us on our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Which there is new cars sitting everywhere. Killer car right there.